YUDANSI push-down beer bottle opener, gift for men/women, magnetic automatic stainless steel opener, beer push corkscrew with magnet to pop off cap of beer soda bottle, Christmas stocking stuffers. Just place this automatic bottle opener on the bottle cap, press it down to the end, and then pop it off. With the magnet, the cap is easily removed from the bottle even with one hand. Perfect for beer, soda, and glass bottle. Unique gifts. Are you still looking for gifts for your father/boyfriend/husband/friend who is a beer/soda lover? For people who like to drink beer or beverages in bottle, this is a cool gadget gift, and they can enjoy more fun from popping and drinking. Perfect for man gifts, Christmas, Father's Day, housewarming, Secret Santa, Valentine's Day, anniversary, baby shower, wedding party, birthday party gifts, or any other special occasions. KITCHENDAO magnetic beer bottle opener for refrigerator, twist-off/pry-off opener, popcan opener, heavy-duty steel die-cast construction with magnets, stick to fridge for easy storage, gift for men. With built-in strong magnets, this beer bottle opener could be attached to refrigerator for easy storage. You'll never worry about going hunting for a bottle opener again. Due to its modern and low-profile design, this magnetic bottle opener looks great on the door of your stainless steel refrigerator. Heavy Checkmark 3-in-1 beer opener can open the bottle with metal caps easily by pry off or twist off. The popcan opener opens pop-top beer and soft drinks. Notes: not for plastic bottle caps. Heavy Checkmark durable. This magnetic bottle opener will last for a lifetime due to the solid durable die-cast construction.